Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 14th of January 2025. So Bursa continue drop. Okay, even today morning was quite good, but evening okay, quite a big drop. Okay, morning a lot of retail because after a few days drop they think they can pick bottom. Some of you also ask me to pick bottom. Such a big drop. Normally, right? Normally it's a sign of a weakening market. Okay, so normally it does not drop. Just a few days it will big rebound. Normally it doesn't happen. Okay, unless that day because of the Japan yen carry trade issue also after big dip it went back up. So this is not this was probably driven by the news that AI this US is going to curb the AI export ban the AI export. They have a few tier later we'll discuss that one okay, so there's a limit to this certain country, okay, how much AI chip, AI processing power that they can get. So Malaysia want to be the center, right, AI hub, right, of this Southeast Asia. So there is worry, concern, okay, on the because of the ban. Okay, a quick disclaimer first before I continue. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's check out the global. Okay, Bursa 1576 suddenly drop closing hours drop 9 points 0.5 dropped 9.13 points 0.575%. Okay, Singapore dropped 0.077%, Hong Kong rebound 1.831%, South Korea up 0.315%, Japan dropped 1.827%, Thailand dropped 0.852%, China FTSE big rebound 2.081%, China SSE up 2.537%, and China NZSE up 3.767%, Australia up 0.477%, Taiwan up 1.375%, and India Nifty up 0.463%. So slight momentum, but China strong, big rebound of China. See sustainable or not? Okay, look at Europe. So minor rebound Asia, but China quite strong. But China really dropped quite some time now. Okay, Europe FTSE up 0.143%, UK DAX German up 0.587%. Okay, Dow Jones US up 0.855%, NYSE up 0.445%, S&P up 0.158%, and Nasdaq dropped 0.384%. Crude palm oil 4,725, Brent oil 80, crude oil 78, gold 2679, silver 30, US dollar against ringgit 4.5. Bitcoin very strong, went back to 96. Yesterday it dropped below 92 support, okay, but then suddenly it came back up. Okay, so Ethereum also quite strong, 3247. Okay, so worrying a bit yesterday so we can take a look Bitcoin. Okay, also it dipped below this head and shoulder so very scary. It could come back to 72, but now it's being pushed up okay, still okay this head and shoulder pattern, right? Okay, so it dipped below, but now it's pushing up. So we want to see whether it can break through, especially this one 103. Now 100 we don't want to use it as a resistance really, because it was zigzag over there many times. So now it's 103. If we can break 103, maybe got one way. I said now it's 50-50. Okay, now I see it's 50-50. Okay, because buy the rumor and sell the news Okay, the rumor already all finished What Trump want to do, strategic strategic reserve. You want to appoint crypto-friendly these people into the Trump administration. They want this crypto czar, you know, all these things lah. Okay, but now it's execution lah. After he go in, whether he can execute or not. Okay, so if he can execute during those time lah, he sell the news already lah. Okay, so we have to wait and see lah. Okay, as I said, we still have this unfinished pattern lah. Okay, cup and handle pattern. Okay, which is around 125,000. The target is here. Okay, so now, as I said, now right, if it goes in, if Trump go in, okay, I mean all these promise that he make lah. Maybe some fulfill, some don't fulfill. I think it will be the market will. I think any of these conditions that he couldn't fulfill, I think market will be slightly bearish. But if he can still do the strategic reserve then maybe that one will push it up to this 125. Higher, those are 200 400, 500,000. I doubt it can go there I doubt it can go there. So between here to here, possible. So but for me, 50-50. It could drop below 92, come back here and never recover. Okay, if Trump having problem to execute all these promises, you will never recover. It will still slowly, it will keep on sliding down. If it manage to do something strong, something that is I mean something good for the crypto, okay, a good policy, then it might break out. Then I think the next wave will be 125. Okay, so that's why I said Saturday I said 50-50. So you might want to take some profit around here, okay, around this area first, and leave some whether it can go to 125. Or if it cannot go 125, we drop below. If we drop below, then probably you want to slowly scale out unless it come back to 70, then we saw very good rebound pattern, then we want to try again for the next one. Okay, but now you see if you manage to sell at, let's say you go back to 100 you manage to sell around here so it's not that far away from the 125 target let's say from here, okay, to here okay, you're talking about 21%. I mean 21% in share market is very big deal but 21% in crypto is very small deal You have to understand right? It's a very small deal Crypto, we are looking for how many X1 It's not looking for 20%. You are looking, if you jump into crypto looking for 20%, your mentality is still the stock market mentality. Okay, you're using the wrong mentality to play crypto. Crypto, we are talking about how many X1 how many X. We are not talking about 20%. 20% for crypto people is very small. I mean, that's why it only left a small gap here So I think here, okay, maybe consider take some profit, okay, and leave some for the 125, or some even say it go banana, or it can go to 200, 250. All these but I doubt okay, because now buy the rumor, sell the news. Now rumors already done. Okay, probably already finished. Now is the news coming only. So news time already. So I think now I put it as 50-50 Okay, Ethereum also, you see Ethereum what happened? Head and shoulder. Okay, also head and shoulder. But the problem with Ethereum, shoulder already broken. Okay, that's why this could be a sign that it will continue weakening Litecoin also that day okay, it tried to break out but came back down, also not successful. Now we want to watch XRP. Okay, XRP is doing this flat pattern. Okay, if it come back here, come back down, then it make a big double top, I think then finish. It's coming back down. So now we want to see what it makes around here. Now it's trying to break out. Okay, but you see without big momentum. Okay, because you see if it managed to come down up here you see this other side maybe only this high, not this high. So we might have another divergence, and if it turn around, okay, then most likely we got divergence with head and shoulder. Normally it will happen. Okay, so this one we have to watch and see Okay, Cardano still in the these are bigger bigger consolidation pattern. Solana also still in this consolidation pattern unless it can break through. Okay, break through this 2201. Okay, and Avalanche. Okay, Avalanche, you see also broken the bottom, trying to support also is broken, is breaking the bottom again okay, so for now, okay, as I said, for now we are looking at 50-50 okay, for this hit go higher or it can go up to 125. Okay, initially, okay, initially there is, I see there are maybe 60-40 you can go to 125, but now I think it's 50-50. You're looking at this, all this momentum. Okay, I think 50-50. Bitcoin, why so strong? Bitcoin is supported by this Michael Saylor. Most probably Michael Saylor is supporting this, why it's still hanging around, it still managed to rebound. If this one can break out, maybe there's one more wave I put it 50-50 for now okay. Okay, so look at Bursa. Okay, Bursa, okay, 1576 today volume quite big 3.452 billion and you remember yesterday the foreign fund exit I mean net sales 350 over million okay, 352 million I think. So you know the foreign fund is still running okay. 226 million, and the local institution bought 225, trying to buy up, but still too much. Okay, and local this local retail still buy 100 million, but you see from December onwards okay, foreign fund is dumping non-stop okay, you have to take note okay, foreign fund dumping non-stop almost non-stop do take note okay. Where were we? Yeah, here. Okay, sentiment here, closing hours dropped some more sentiment is 40, gainers 400, losers 588. You see morning, right, it looks strong, right? Why morning? Because a few days of this market big drop, right? A lot of these retail think they want to pick bottom, they think market really cheap all this YTL drop a bit, so they think very cheap, so they are all piling up trying to pick bottom, trying to buy cheap. But you see, right, this kind of big drop normally not yet end one. I mean, it might have a small rebound, but it does not recover so fast, so that's why you have to take note that's why you have to be careful okay. So a lot of these retail are trying to get a bargain but I doubt now it's a bargain unchanged is 529 and trade is 842 you see today, you see YTL power still dropping, right? YTL power still dropping MAHSING still dropping, all this so take note okay. Sunway, you see, also dropping okay. You are catching a falling knife okay. Could be okay. Look at construction, look at the sector, all in percentage. Construction dropped 2.01, consumer up 0.4, energy up drop 0.33, finance dropped 0.37, healthcare dropped 0.72. You see the sector still very weak. Industry dropped 0.83, plantation dropped 0.59, property dropped 0.35, REIT dropped 0.17, technology dropped 0.84, telco up 1.09, transportation dropped 0.09, utilities dropped 0.59. Let's look at the chart. KLCI. Okay, KLCI, you see another drop. So as I said, 1586 cannot hold, you better be careful. So it already become a bigger downtrend already. So this wave okay, cannot be lower than this wave. So you see already drop below this wave. So it's technically it's making a lower low. Lower low. So it's actually starting I think probably starting a bigger downtrend. Okay. Ace market also got support 5220 but also dropping very fast. Drop today up today 0.28. Mid cap drop very fast coming back to this 18,000 area, and this small cap also dropping very fast already dropped below 17,497 okay. Construction I want to talk about construction. So in construction, I told you this pattern, right? I don't like these are normally downtrend pattern. Okay, those pattern like that okay, uptrend pattern like that. Okay, so this one is still a down. No doubt in try to make a higher high, but normally this one is a bull trap. Okay, they want to suck all this retail. Okay, think that market is going to go higher. They make a higher high. Okay, then they got volume. The retail go in volume to buy all these construction company. So all these big fund, they want the volume to sell. Okay, so now they can dump. When they dump, it's dumping very fast. Okay, even though people are buying here but they are dumping very fast. Okay, so you have to take note. You see, already outside the channel already. Outside this triangle. Some more, if it drop below here, even worse, 299. Even worse. Okay, so you have to take note. So it's a trap lah. Who else? Technology, okay, technology. You see, technology also cannot stay above this 62. So technology also, as I said, take profit already. Technology, I told you, I see a small rebound. I'm not saying bull market. I already told you many times. Okay, small rebound. As long as it's still bullish, we still keep. But when it start to do like that, we have to run already. Okay. Telco, we got a false break below, then we got a piercing line. Okay, uptrend pattern. So telco maybe still got chance to rebound. Okay. Utilities, okay, utilities still got support here lah. But if we break 1735, I think probably going lower lah. Utilities is not totally over yet lah. The short term, I said I take some profit first okay, like YTL, all those Let me see the Facebook. You see, that's why I said I said wait and see what happen next okay. Even our baboon CEO also waiting patiently Key markers patient okay. A lot of faces today. 19. Okay, Ji Young praying John Sniper, Dumbledore, don't know what happening. Guo Zilong. Good boy go to heaven, bad boy go to Amsterdam. I don't really get it. Darren angry Aaron, pity And then like Tali work, UWC and Maybank to buy you still dare to buy now you are very geng chao you very good. I mean very daring I'm not saying good very daring UWC already take profit. I told you right, it's very near this area. You take some profit, it's okay lah. We got double top here at RSI, so we really see the drop so you don't have all these things, you don't know where to take the auto profit already tell you you have to take here already because it's starting to drop too much you have to take profit already. Okay. Maybank bank already very high that's why I don't think that you drop a few days you want to buy bank already very high Maybank the whole year from 2024 it was 8 ringgit, now already went to 10 ringgit, 11 ringgit or 10 ringgit something. So before that okay, it was like how many okay, you see it's gone so far, it's gone so far but you never buy. You want to buy over here, right? So don't I mean for me never, no, I won't chase here definitely okay. Okay, very daring Taliber. Taliber, we got triangle if we can break above this triangle, especially 0.825, maybe want to go but Taliber also quite far already already went quite far so I also not very keen okay, to chase this one even they drop a bit Darren, don't duck with me. No IC, Sky, Darren, Terry, patient okay. A lot of comment today LPI LPI already calling already, right? Because of the bid for takeover, all these things so now it's coming back down already so especially it dropped below 12.5, I think gonna drop lower But now maybe there's one way for you to run but don't. I mean it's a bit too high to buy now okay, with all the divergence coming, a bit too high to buy. AXIATA big 2.25, only beautiful. AXIATA. Okay, AXIATA is trying to hold this bottom lah. So today got some momentum, 4 million to 7 million, 4% up. So AXIATA best 2.51 long term. 2.51 break, maybe get 2.8. 2.8 break, then maybe we are looking at this all this bank target or even long term going higher lah. Okay, AXIATA I think the worst time already passed lah. Hopefully lah. Okay. Come on, let's eat KS ham. What is this? KK ham or KS ham? KK ham, right? Malaysia is classified as tier 2 country and is restricted to advanced AI chip. Andrew say lah, this is the result of being a member of BRICS, similar to Top Glove was banned by the US because of ESG issue a few years ago, and the price tanked from RM10 to RM1. Our AI stock are in trouble like YTL, EG, Netgate, and ETC lah, due to the restriction imposed by the US. Avoid lah. Okay, so just in case you don't know which are the data center what do you call it which stock is linked to data center lah. Okay, this one I'll let you know lah. SCG, Berhad, Southern Cable, YTL, MN Holding, MTech, Notion, YTL Power, CloudPoint, EG, UE, VS, Gamuda, Renhill, MAHSING, Suncon, and Tenaga. Tenaga, and of course TM, all this lah. Okay. Well, so this is just Andrew opinion lah. I don't want to talk about too much about all this lah. And probably it's true or probably not. Because of break lah. So maybe probably yes, probably no lah. Okay. Ji Yong time bomb it's a trap, Matthew. Darren. So it serves as a warning lah. From Matthew lah. Just. So now you know a bit about this lah. Later we can talk about this. Later we got article. Darren sleeping lah. Darren. No IC Aaron. So no IC John Sniper, finger crossed. Darren, no IC. Good info. Mao. Okay, Mao JW. Okay. Look at the news. This is the news this is the news that you want to read lah. Okay. How will restricted AI chip access impact Malaysia lah? Okay, so here. Let AI read maybe this AI also lah.
The Joe Biden administration's plans to introduce new export restrictions on artificial intelligence, AI, chips under a 3-tiered system by country have sparked concerns in Malaysia. According to news reports, Malaysia has been classified as a Tier 2 country, permitted to import only 50,000 graphics processing units, GPUs, over 2 years, with data center operators restricted to deploying a maximum of 7% of their computing capacity in any single Tier 2 nation.
Okay, so we are categorized as Tier 2 nation lah. So according to this news the rollout of data center to remain an effect lah. The current one maybe future one maybe might have problem, but the current one I think looks like okay lah. Look at this news.
Rollout of data centers to remain unaffected. Meanwhile, industry players believe the rollout of data center (DC) projects will largely remain intact. MSIA's Wong explained that DCs have already obtained approvals from GPU vendors to secure GPUs. As of now, data that is presented suggests that business is as usual for the industry, unless they receive new instructions from the US government. When contacted, YTL Power International BHD, KL, YTLPOWR, Managing Director Datuk Seri Yeo Seok Hong, remained confident that the group will not be affected by the latest announcements on the limitation on the export of GPUs. We understand that American hyperscalers, which include NVIDIA, are not subject to the limits. As the only non-US company selected by NVIDIA in Asia to deploy NVIDIA's latest chips on NVIDIA's DGX Cloud AI platform, there should be no issue with our rollout, he told The Edge. Nevertheless, YTL Power saw its stock price drop by 25 sen or 5.9% to close at RM4 on Monday, giving it a market capitalization of RM 33.07 billion. TraderView Capital Chief Investment Officer Nixon Wong Gok Hei thinks DC projects will be unaffected in the near term, based on the guide of the 7% threshold. Current DC projects, which are mostly US related, are still below that threshold, he explained.
Okay, current still okay but future we have to, maybe they can negotiate but maybe future is already Trump Trump could be lenient, but Trump can be even worse Okay, little impact on local semiconductor so they are saying so want to see okay how. And you know Biden, he's going out already, so he want to go out with the bang so whatever he want to execute, that he maybe he like a bit worry or a bit worry to execute okay. So now he's just hantam because he's leaving already so he want to make a bang before he leave and let Trump sweep the floor no, not sweep the floor what they call it carry all the burden okay.
MAHSING confident data center projects will pass through potential US chip export restrictions.
Okay, but MAHSING still drop. MAHSING actually are same. I told you this pattern I don't like. Okay, normally drop one. Okay, downtrend pattern like that. Drop, then you consolidate a bit, then you drop again. Normally it's like that. So normally okay, so that's why. Okay, I don't like this pattern. I already told you Okay, let's see. What else?
SCIB's RM 162 mil civil servants housing project in Perak falls through after developer fails to meet condition.
This one koyak really keep on dropping Okay, any rebound cannot. I think any rebound maybe exit first No, can maybe get this project it can rebound but problem
KIMLUN Corp disposes of land for RM 55 mil.
KIMLUN. So KIMLUN already still dropping so nothing much to talk about.
Trading in Yinson Holdings shares has been suspended pending a material announcement.
Probably it's due to this one
Yinson nears deal with investors for $1 United States bill funding.
1 billion not dollar, be $1. 1 billion bill funding Okay, SLVEST buy land Kedah 3 parcels for 20 million
In a filing with Bursa Malaysia, SLVEST said the proposed acquisition is in line with the company's 5-year strategic roadmap, 2022 to 2026, to maintain its market leader position in the solar engineering, procurement, construction and commissioning (EPCC) segment and expand its renewable energy asset development business through securing strategic lands for renewable energy asset development projects.
Okay, this one also I'm not very keen also You see, it really starting looks like a looks like a bear flag also so I'm not very keen this one. Okay, especially if we cannot hold 1.61, you be careful It's still going up but doesn't look like very very strong Okay, doesn't look very strong
INFOM bags RM 13 mil deal for TechOps.
INFOM still dropping lah. Let's break to 1.46 then only we talk lah.
China mulls potential sale of TikTok US to Musk. Report.
Okay, well, because if they cannot ban so maybe better they sell to Elon Musk so at least he can operate lah. That's why lah. So, I mean if Elon Musk buys, sure they can operate lah TikTok. So now they are see what the China government respond lah.
RHB Research maintains overweight. Call on utilities sector.
Okay, so still overweight lah.
China competition may force VITROX to increase R&D spending, says CGS.
Okay.
Given the potential margin pressure from rising competition, CGS has maintained its reduce call on VITROX with a target price of RM 2.93.
2.93 now already 3.3 already 3.96 so be careful okay. And also the technology dropping so be careful Okay, a quick message before I continue. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link you can get some reward some discount, all these things So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a advisor very friendly guy Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, then Luno. If you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link Okay. Okay. Top gainers, which is not many. AXIATA, QL, JPG, INNO. AXIATA already talked already so AXIATA just trying to rebound as long as hold above 2.13, okay. If it break 2.5, I think got chance long term. Volume also okay, volume up 4 to 7 million. QL I think starting to drop already. QL be careful I think QL already went quite high and there you see all the trend line are broken. I think you drop lower but the uptrend is not totally finished okay, but I think it's coming back to the 4 ringgit area okay. Somewhere you see divergence, right? RSI, JPG. Okay, JPG up 4%. So JPG may be a chance for you to rebound, but I think JPG need to wait for it to break out first break out the channel better. Especially I think here maybe break out this 129 better or else it might hit the top channel, come back down again INNO similar it's coming back down. If you stay above 1.66 maybe can go a bit but I'm not very keen to buy now. Okay, looking at the Bursa condition okay. So I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.